Hey guys, so I'm going to basically break down AUDCAD for the next week. So currently we're looking at the monthly time frame, and what we can see if we zoom out is price has been downtrending currently within the last few months, obviously reaching its low in and around the 0.82 psychological level. And we pushed away from this massive bullish candle. Obviously, we left this doji candle, massive bullish candle pushing us above the trend line, breaking this, coming back to retest before pushing higher. So now prices reached this high of in and around one. We can, in and around one as a psychological level. It returned back to the downside in and around the 0.93 psychological level, retesting this area again. So what do we expect will happen next? Well, we can either see a break of this, a push to the downside, a retest, and obviously continuation to lower levels. On the other hand, we can see price reject this area, continue to reject this area, and push back away. Obviously, in and around something like this, and we would hope that it would end up here. And the reason for this is, again, down to, I can sort of see a double bottom being formed here. And this double bottom, we still need to wait confirmation before we would enter just on that basis. Obviously, because we've already had this push away, a break here, and a push up to here before correcting. So on this correction here, we now need to see clear rejection away from this area. The price isn't going to break this area and head lower on the sell positions before we would even consider entering on buy positions. But if we drop to the lower time frame, again, this is only the monthly time frame, we still are leaving a nice candle so far. I think we should either have a nice doji or a push, or a bullish push away and return up to the higher levels. So if we jump again down to the weekly time frame, we will see what price has been doing. So there you see prices pushed up, broke this trend line and made us all its way down. You can see Elliott wave theories in play there as well, and a few other things that I haven't taken off the charts. So if we drop down to the daily time frame, we'll probably see this a lot clearer as to what has happened in the last few days. So prices in this descending channel trend, and it's obviously found this area of liquidity below. This is the pocket area of liquidity that has been used previously along here. So again, we're just reusing that. Price is broken out of this descending channel trend, and it sort of has just been ranging in and around this area, and it hasn't really gone anywhere. We're still on the upside of this on the daily candle, which is a positive thing. We could probably still see price continue to push away from here and possibly back up to into around this region. So again, if we drop down from the daily to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are creating some nice rejections in and around this region, and price is still continuing to reject the lower levels currently. What we would want to see if price was to continue, we want to see a push away and a push back up to this area in and around here, where we would probably take profits. So that is over 100 pips easily. Otherwise, on the other hand, we could see price push lower again to the downside before probably ending up in and around here. So yeah, we've got a nice possibly keeping your stop loss well below that area here. We could probably target highs in and around this region. So again, 3 to 1 risk reward ratio is very positive for us. So that's AUDCAD broken down. Thanks for watching.